Assalamu alaikum boys and girls. Now I'm going to solve question number 8. This is your homework. ممكن السؤال شوي فيه شوية صعوبة لكن في بعض الطلاب ما شاء الله عنهم عرفوا يحلوا السؤال والبعض الآخر يعني يمكن شوية شافوا فيه شوية صعوبة على أي حال. Now this is question number 8. A circular pond of radius 6 cm is surrounded by a path of width 1 meter. Find the area of the path. Okay. بدنا نجيب ال area for this path. So we need to find the area for this. بدنا نجيب ال area for this path. هلا هاي ال area من ايش بتتكون؟ هاي عبارة عن ايش؟ منطقة محصورة بين شغلتين. مين هم؟ احنا الآن بدنا نجيب اللي هي راح نجيب ال area for this small circle, right? So you need to find the area of this small circle, and you have also to find the area for the big circle. The big circle. After that, subtract the bigger circle minus the area of the smaller circle. Right? So that's it. Yani this is the four part. You need to find the area of the big circle and the area of the smaller circle. After that, find the difference between of them. You get what? You get the area of the path. Let's start. Now, start with the A1. A1, this is for big circle. هي pi r squared. Okay. Now, what's the radius of the big circle? You can see, teacher, from this question, the radius of pond is 6 centimeter, 6 meters. Sorry. The radius of the pond is 6 meter. البوند اللي هي teacher هاي من هون لهون. This is 6 meter. تمام. And a path of width 1 meter. هسه الباث اللي هو هذا هو الباث. From this to this. This is 1. So عندنا radius for a small circle is 6 or radius for big circle is 7 now, right? From this point to this point is 7. So now give me the area of the big circle. You can say the area is pi times 7 squared, which is equal to 49 pi. So this is the area for the big circle. Now give me the area for the small circle. You can say pi r squared. Now r is 6, so 6 squared, which is equal to 36 pi. As I said before, teacher, keep this pi also. Don't find the answer as decimal for this or for this. خليهم pi حتى يكون the final answer is accurate. Now you need to find the area. This is area 2. تمام. Now find the area of the path. The area of the path, you have to subtract the bigger circle, which is 49 pi minus 36. I want just to نعملها zoom. 49 pi, okay, minus 36 pi. To get now the answer is equals 40.84. So this is the final answer for this question. Okay, now to part B. In this part B now, the path is resurfaced with the AstroTurf, which is bought in packs, each containing enough to cover an area of 7 meters squared. The question is, how many packs are required? هلا شو السؤال هون؟ عندنا هذا الباث اللي هو هذا باللون البينك، بدنا نجيب له تيتشر اشي مسمين هم اللي هم هاي AstroTurf. هي مقصود فيها زي العشب الطبيعي او العشب الصناعي عفوا. بدهم يحطوا المنطقة هاي المنطقة بدهم يعملوا ايش؟ يحطوا فيها زي عشب صناعي. فاحنا السؤال الان بده بيشتروا العشب الصناعي عن طريق ايش؟ باكس، و each pack contain or containing enough to cover كم؟ 7 meter squared. هلا احنا في part A we found ايش؟ we found the area, right؟ الاريا اللي هي 40.84. هلا the question is how many packs are required, right؟ إذا teacher زي ما حكينا احنا بدنا الآن شو نسوي؟ بدنا نشوف احنا كلنا عنا each pack covered each pack enough to cover قديش 7 meter squared. يعني مثلا ال1 pack ممكن تكفيني زي هيك، مثلا هاي المنطقة you can say 7 meter squared, this area 7 meter squared. فكل pack enough to cover 7 meter squared. How many packs بدنا teacher the question is how many packs are required. فاحنا جبنا الاريا كم طلعناها اللي هي قلنا 40 بس خلينا نعمل زوم 40.84. شو بدنا نعمل الآن؟ احنا زي ما حكينا هاي الاريا هاي اللي هي الهول اريا ناو بدنا كل باك بتكفينا ل 7 متر سكوير. ف how many packs? So just divide by what? Divide by 7 you get 5.83. هلا انت لما بدك تروح على المحل مش هتقول له والله اعطيني 5.83 باكس، مستحيل يعطيك part of pack، راح يعطيك حزمة كاملة، صح؟ فاحنا بدنا نقول الانسر از ايش؟ 6 باكس، لانه لو شريت 5 مش حتكفي هيك، فانت بدك تجيب حزمة كاملة، فبدك تقول ايش؟ 6 باكس. So this is the answer for your homework.